Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel as we are solving exercise 3A intermediate level, and this is the last question of intermediate level, question number 8, which says expand and simplify each of the following expression. It is also expand and simplify but a little more advanced, okay. Again, now we have constant as well. 5 plus, first we are going to solve these bracket. For this we have to make curly bracket. Now we are going to take x plus 3 plus 1, x plus 3, bracket close. 5 plus x will be multiplied with x square, x will be multiplied with 3x plus 1x plus 3 times 1 is 3, bracket close, okay. 5 plus x square plus 4x plus 3, x and x, 1x and 3x are solved. Now we open the bracket. 5 plus x square plus 4x plus 3. This is the simple term. X square plus 4x plus 3 plus 3 and plus 5. X square plus 4x plus 8 is the answer. Now part B. Now we are moving to part B, which says 3x plus 7 plus x plus 7, 2x minus 1. Again, we are going to write 3x all alone plus curly bracket x, 2x minus 1 plus 7, 2x minus 1. The same strategy is the same strategy is being used in question number 7. We are using the same strategy over here. 3x plus x will be multiplied with 2x square minus x plus 7 times 2 is 14x plus minus 7. 3x plus 2x square minus plus minus, written number की sign plus 13x minus 7. Now we are going to open the bracket. 3x plus 2x square plus 13x minus 7. Square term will be alone, no partner. Plus 3x and plus 13x partners, same terms, okay. 3 plus 13 is 16x, written number sign. So the answer is 2x square plus 16x minus 7. Part C of question number 8, it says 3x plus 2 x minus 9 plus 2x 4x plus 1. Same strategy, we are going to make the curly bracket. 3x the whole bracket plus 2 the whole bracket plus 2 times 4 is 8x square plus 2x. Now 3 times 1 is 3x square minus 27x plus same 2x minus 18 plus 8x square plus 2x. 3x square minus plus minus, greater number sign is minus, 25x minus 18 plus 8x square plus 2x. Now we are going to open the bracket and we are going to simplify it. 3x square minus 25x minus 18 plus 8x square plus 2x. X square terms together, this and this, along with the sign, minus 25h plus 25x plus 2x minus 18. 8 plus 3 is 11x square. Minus plus minus, greater number sign is minus. 25 minus 2 is 23x minus 18. So the answer is 11x square minus 23x minus 18. Now we are going to move to part D. That is the last part of this question. It says, okay, part D says, as we have two brackets, so we are going to make curly bracket, x minus 8 minus 3, x minus 8, curly bracket close, plus curly bracket open, x, 2x plus 9 minus 4, 2x plus 9, bracket close. Okay, it's the same procedure. X square minus 8x minus 3x minus plus 8 times 3 is 24, bracket close, sign plus 2x square plus 9x minus 8x minus plus minus 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, x square minus plus minus 11x plus 24 plus 2x square plus minus another greater number is plus. We will not write 1, you are going to write only x minus 36. Okay, x square. Now we are going to open the bracket and we are going to solve it. X square minus 11x plus 24 plus 2x square plus x minus 36. Okay, now the like terms together, x square plus 2x square minus 11x plus x plus 24 minus 36. So 2 plus 1 is 3x square, minus plus minus another greater number minus, 11 minus 1 is 10x, plus minus another greater number is minus, 36 minus 24 is 12. So the answer is 3x square minus 10x minus 12. Here our question number 8 of intermediate level exercise 3A is also solved. Now I will come back with the video in which we are going to solve advanced level. Till then, Allah Hafiz.